a long weekend in India. So today we are going out to explore a few more places in Delhi. So since I'm a Zomato Gold member, I have access to infinity dining on Zomato. So we wanted to try out a place. So today we are going to the Finch in GK2. We've heard it's a very nice place and we're going there for lunch. But before that, we are going to Qutub Minar. So I've been to Qutub Minar last when I was a kid and I don't remember much about that place. So I was pestering Sarthak about taking me there again. So today we are finally going there and I'm looking forward to it. So let's see how this goes.
Or tails, taking chances, don't look back, wishing wells, hope for something, hold my breath, you're something else, worth the wait, and here at last, over the moon and above the stars, you got my heart, you got my heart, hey! Here we go, it's now or never, take me home. Let's go together, look out below, 'cause I'm falling for you, Geronimo. It's now or never, take me home. Let's go together, look out below, 'cause I'm falling for you, Run and jump, arm in arm, we'll touch the sky.
So we are inside the Qutub Minar complex right now. Since it's a long weekend, this place is very crowded today and the queue for the ticket was very long. So we decided to buy the tickets online and I suggest that you do this before you come here. It is much more convenient and a much better option. So you can either get the tickets from yatra.com or the tickets are also available on Klook and I'm sure will be available on many more places online. So do check them out before you come here.
It's now or never, take me home. Let's go together, look out below, 'cause I'm falling for you, If it's meant to be, if it's meant to be, then it's you and me, then it's you and me. If it's meant to be, if it's meant to be, then it's you and me, then it's you and me. Here we go. It's now or never, take me home. Let's go together, look out below, 'cause I'm falling for you, Geronimo. It's now or never, take me home. Let's go together, look out below, 'cause I'm falling for you.
So we are finally done with Qutub Minar. The weather is so humid. Melting makeup and excessive sweating is something I hate. But nevertheless, we enjoyed. I really enjoyed coming to Qutub Minar after such a long time. And now, thankfully, we are heading to an air-conditioned place for lunch. I am really looking forward to the air conditioner right now. So I'll see you there.
Stepping out, living loud and free. Walk around like a brand new melody. Hear me when I'm singing that. Oh, 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 oh. And it keeps getting better.
Hey guys, finally at the Finch right now and this place looks amazing. I can't wait to try all the food over here.
It only gets better.
In infinity dining drinks are not included in the package that we took.
Hello to this happiness. Living life with the volume up to 10. See the world through my sunshine glasses. Nothing that can bring me down. Down, down, down. Oh, 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 oh. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better. Oh, 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 oh. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better.
So we just got done with the lunch. The Finch is an amazing place. The food is amazing. And since we had the infinity dining offer, we could try a variety of items on the menu, which was a plus. So if you get a chance, do come and visit this place called the Finch. This is in GK2. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please do like, subscribe, share and comment to let me know if you have any recommendations for places which I can visit next for some amazing food and variety. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.